case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1983, the Texas Courts of Appeals heard the case of Gappelberg v. Landrum, which dealt with a seller's right to repair or replace a defective product after the buyer had accepted it. The case hinged on whether the buyer had rightfully revoked acceptance and whether there was a substantial impairment in the product's value. The case began when Landrum sold Gappelberg a new Advent Model YB 125 big-screen television for $2,231.25. On the same day of the purchase, Gappelberg informed Landrum of a damaged screen and other defects. Although some issues were repaired over the next 2 weeks, the television eventually stopped working altogether. Following several failed repair attempts, Gappelberg requested the return of the consideration and asked that the television not be repaired or replaced. Landrum, however, offered to replace the television with a new one of the same make and model shortly afterward. The court had to determine if the right to cure by replacement superseded the buyer's right to revoke acceptance of the original defective goods. Ultimately, the court concluded that there is a right to cure by replacement, and as such, Landrum's offer to replace the set was considered timely. In the end, the court held that Landrum had rightfully replaced Gappelberg's defective television within a reasonable time. Consequently, Gappelberg was not eligible for damages under Text Bus and Com. Code and Section 2.711, and the judgment was affirmed.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.